Our top story tonight, the first signs of North and South Carolina's shift in approach to COVID-19. A lot has changed in a week. Soon, Mecklenburg County will drop its mask mandate. Governor Roy Cooper asking schools and local leaders to lift mask policies. Charlotte-Mecklenburg Schools announced it's ending contact tracing, and today, South Carolina leaders said they are going to significantly scale back testing sites and data reporting. That's a lot of changes in a relatively short period of time.
Indeed. So we wanted to break down this shift we're seeing from pandemic response to endemic response. Does it mean that we've turned a corner here? And why are we seeing it now?
Nearly 2 years since health officials declared COVID-19 a pandemic, changes many thought would never come.
This is one of the steps towards this becoming more of an endemic response to COVID-19.
South Carolina DHEC announcing Friday a ramp down in the traditional wait-in-line PCR testing in favor of at-home tests. Those are becoming more available and offer faster results with more convenience. DHEC also pivoting to weekly metrics, looking more at the viral burden on healthcare and how sick people are actually getting.
We're really shifting more of our focus away from necessarily case counts and more towards indicators of severity.
The decision comes the same week North Carolina Governor Roy Cooper urged municipalities and schools to remove mandates to mask by March 7th. State health leaders say with widely available vaccines and COVID treatments, folks should now decide for themselves based on risk.
We're announcing these upcoming changes now so that people have time to get prepared and get up to date with their COVID-19 vaccines.
Cautious optimism as COVID metrics are on the decline, with resources at the ready to return if for some reason they're needed again.
There are multiple steps. It is not an overnight process, but this is one big step in that direction.
And so we are also seeing a shift in how exposures are treated and quarantines are being handled. So we mentioned just a few moments ago that CMS is no longer doing widespread contact tracing. It still is going to, however, report COVID clusters. It's going to notify folks, for example, if clubs or athletic teams have cases, but not the widespread stuff that we've been seeing up until this point. Only those testing positive, by the way, are going to have to quarantine. CMS saying also this masks are still mandated, but they tell us tonight, based on the governor's recommendation we just showed you, Mecklenburg County dropping its mandate soon, folks should be prepared for the district to go mask optional. School board, by the way, voting on that policy Tuesday night.